Hello dear friend, welcome to techt channel. In this video, I show how not everyone can see the data of birth on Instagram. So, watch the video till the end. Also subscribe the channel and turn on the notification. Let's go for change setting. Okay, step 1, open Instagram account, click your profile and click menu and click account center. After clicking account center, personal details. Click your birthday and click who can see your birthday on Instagram. Click change and share your birthday with no one, close friend list, and follower you follow back. For example, a close friend list. For example, follow your follow back. And for example, no one. You choose your own opinion. Very easy. Your share your birthday is changed. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Take on take.